What if luxury didn't end at the driveway, but kept going wherever the road leads? Welcome back to YYD Auto, where innovation meets adventure. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece of American luxury and engineering, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Cadillac, known for its heritage of elegance and comfort, has taken a bold leap into the world of mobile luxury living. This isn't just another motorhome. It's a rolling penthouse designed to bring the opulence of a high-end Cadillac sedan to the open road. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome combines timeless design, advanced performance, and world-class comfort for travelers who refuse to compromise between adventure and refinement. Its sculpted exterior lines, signature LED light blades, and chrome accents deliver a commanding road presence while maintaining Cadillac's signature sophistication. The illuminated Cadillac crest on the grille sets the tone for its high-end aesthetic. The aerodynamic profile not only looks sleek but also improves fuel efficiency and stability during long highway drives. Large panoramic windows wrap around the cabin, giving travelers breathtaking views of the world outside while flooding the interior with natural light. The blend of futuristic styling and robust proportions makes it clear, this motorhome is designed for both power and prestige. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that rivals the best luxury suites. Every surface is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum, and sustainably sourced wood veneers. The living area features a full-size reclining lounge, a smart TV entertainment hub, and a built-in ambient lighting system that adapts to your mood. The kitchen is equipped with induction cooktops, a convection oven, and even a mini wine cellar. In the bedroom suite, a memory foam king bed and customizable climate system ensure perfect rest no matter where you are. Cadillac's renowned attention to comfort and craftsmanship transforms this motorhome into a true home away from home. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid V8 engine paired with an electric assist system, producing around 600 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. This setup allows for impressive towing capacity and seamless power delivery across all terrains. The adaptive 4x4 drive system automatically adjusts to changing road conditions, offering stability on highways and off-road trails alike. Despite its size, it maintains remarkable smoothness and precision thanks to Cadillac's magnetic ride control suspension technology. Performance here isn't about speed, it's about mastering every mile with control, quietness, and effortless power. But Cadillac doesn't stop at power, it redefines intelligence. In terms of technology, this motorhome is packed with innovations usually reserved for Cadillac's flagship sedans. A curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, integrating navigation, entertainment, and real-time diagnostics in a seamless interface. An onboard AI assistant learns your travel habits, suggesting routes, campgrounds, and even maintenance schedules. Connectivity is top-tier, featuring 5G Wi-Fi, satellite communications, and full smart device integration for lighting, temperature, and security. Over-the-air updates ensure your systems stay current no matter where you roam. When it comes to safety, Cadillac continues its legacy of advanced protection. The 2026 motorhome comes equipped with Ultra Cruise, Cadillac's next-generation autonomous driving system, capable of handling over 95% of U.S. roads hands-free. Other safety features include adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and a 360 degrees AI-powered camera system. Its reinforced frame and advanced airbag zones ensure maximum safety even in the toughest driving conditions. Now, let's talk about value. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome starts at around $495,000, placing it firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. It's a serious investment, but one that reflects the craftsmanship, technology, and comfort Cadillac delivers. Higher trims and bespoke customization, including luxury interiors, expanded battery packs, or solar-powered roof panels, can raise the price above $600,000. But for those seeking both Cadillac reliability and the freedom of a mobile mansion, the price starts to make perfect sense. Maintenance for a hybrid V8 may be higher than average, but Cadillac's extended warranties and service network balance that out. Fuel efficiency is excellent for its class, and limited production means slower depreciation. Insurance will be premium, but so is the experience. This is the cost of prestige on the open road. Cadillac also makes the buying experience personal. You can choose from executive, family, or expedition layouts, each tailored to your lifestyle. Add-ons include solar arrays, luxury bathroom upgrades, off-road packages, and autonomous parking assist. For the ultimate touch, Cadillac offers concierge delivery, where your vehicle is personally handed over and configured by a brand specialist. The strengths of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome are undeniable. It combines world-class comfort, unmatched craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology in one breathtaking package. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. From silent drives to self-sufficient camping, from high-speed cruising to scenic relaxation, it turns every journey into a statement of power and prestige. If home is where the heart is, Cadillac just made sure it can move with you. In the end, this isn't merely a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. It embodies freedom, innovation, and the luxurious spirit of Cadillac in every inch of its design. For those who dream of exploring the open road without leaving behind modern luxury, this is the motorhome to beat. If you've ever imagined living the Cadillac dream on the move, this is your moment. Thank you for watching YYD Auto, where power meets perfection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and stay inspired.